This behind me is an angel white lilac and it blooms on old wood, so you don't really want to prune it in the spring. The leaves are really fresh and new, and it even has flowers coming in already. And although you don't want to prune in the spring, it's always okay to take off dead parts. You can tell if a branch is dead because you can compare it to other branches that are leafy and fresh, where this one, for example, is not. This is an old flower actually, so basically you're just deadheading. So you're just going to go down to the live stem. So you will cut this off, but if you look really closely, you can see that at the bottom of the stem there are these little green little nuggets. Here's another angle. That's new growth, so you can cut right above that. There you go. If you follow this stem where it meets the rest of the plant, you can also see a little green stem growing right there, so you can cut right above that and that will grow a new stem. Or to play it safe, you can cut it right here above this node. Let's scratch it to see if it has any life in it. This is kind of higher up the stem. No, this is just above the node. I don't think so, and this is above. Ah, see? Green. So this would be a good spot to cut right there. There's an open seed pod right here.